Welcome back to Pilipinas Got Talent. We are down to our last two semi-finalists.
That's right. Isa sa mga naging crowd favorite ito at tinitilian talaga ng mga kababaihan.
Wow!
Now, of course, with his good looks and heartfelt rendition ng Anak, nakalusot siya sa semi.
And I think we all know who we're talking about. Let's watch this.
Determined na determined po kasi may 1 year lang po ako dito para patunayan sa mga magulang ko na pwede talaga akong kumanta. Ito yung parang calling ko. Ito talaga yung bansa ko. Let's God decide kasi He's the one who will be deciding this in the end. Wala akong expectations kasi lahat ng mga competition ko ngayon magagaling. Ito talaga yung drive ko sa buhay. Every day I have to sing to be happy. And Pilipinas Got Talent is one of the only chances I have to prove to my parents na marunong talaga ako kumanta.
Everyone, let us give it up for the pretty boy ng Antipolo.
Please welcome half Norwegian, half Pinoy, but 100% talented, Marky.
Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon, past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. Seems like we argue every day. I know I'm misbehaved. We made mistakes. We both still got room left to grow. I know love sometimes hurts. I still put you first. We'll make this thing work, but I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Maybe we'll live and learn. Maybe we'll crash and burn. Maybe we'll stay. Maybe we'll leave. Maybe you'll return. Maybe another fight. Maybe we won't survive. Maybe we'll grow. We never know. Baby, you and I, we're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Slow. This time we'll take it slow.
Marky, Marky, Marky!
Marky.
Thank you very much to our quartet. Maraming salamat. Marky? Well, first of all, Marky, you surprised us that you play the piano too.
Yeah.
How come you did not play the piano during your auditions?
Kasi
Relax.
parang mountain siya.
Parang mountain, okay?
So, dito yung start. And then,
Paakyat. Dinahandahan mong paakyat.
Opo.
Let's find out what the judges have to say.
Oo, yun din yung napansin namin kasi nag-level up siya kasi dati kumakanta. Hindi namin alam na marunong pala siyang magpiano. At ang guwapo-guwapo mo habang nagpa-piano ka.
Salamat.
Hindi ka lang talented, ang pogi-pogi mo pa.
Salamat po.
O friendship. Mataas mong maluha-luha.
Oo, naluha-luha talaga ako. You sang to my heart. You sang exactly what I'm feeling.
Wow.
Eh, machi-chismis na ako kung magsalita pa ako. Kaya, oo, shut up na ako. Pero, kung ano po yung nararamdaman ko, kinanta mo. You're wonderful. Kung ako lang ang papipiliin, panalo ka na.
Marky,
Yes po.
nung una, hindi ako masyadong believe sa'yo. But now, I think you really have impressed all of us here. You're great.
Salamat po.
Happy, bro? Happy?
Yeah, very happy. Salamat po.
He's just really ordinary.
Yeah.
Ordinary
Thank you very
na.
much, judges.
Wait, I'd like to say something first. Salamat talaga sa lahat ng mga friends ko na pumunta dito. Mga Markyholics. Salamat ha.
Okay, bro? At para sa
Na-name ba yung fan club mo? Kasi di ba meron tayo yung
Si
Jovenatics?
Anong pangalan
O, yung sa'yo,
ng fans club mo?
Markyholics po.
Markyholics!
Para sa mga
Nakakaloka, may mga
Markyholics.
fans!
Kung gusto nyo makapasok si Marky sa Grand Finals, ito ang dapat nyong iboto. PGT space Marky. That's M-A-R-K-K-I.
That's PGT space Marquee with a double K. Tandaan nyo yan. At ito, isang performer na lang at